Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and I want to tell you about this awesome USB-C charger for your iPhone. And my favorite thing about it is that it's a super fast charger. I don't charge my phone at night at all, and that's why I'm always running out of battery during the day. But that's why I love this charger, because as soon as you plug your iPhone in, I would say it takes maybe 20 to 30 minutes to have 70% charge already, so that it's super quick. Just with that 20-30 minute charge, I have enough for the rest of the day. I like that the cord is pretty long, is 6 feet. The material feels pretty sturdy, pretty strong, so it has lasted me a while. I've had this one for about a year now and it's still going strong. So if you're looking for a super fast charger for your iPhone, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.